The first preposition we will learn in Russian is "с", which means with. It's important to know that this preposition can have different meanings depending on the case of the noun it accompanies. Here, we will focus on its meaning as with. The first noun case we will study is the Творительный падеж.
In Russian, the instrumental case is an indirect case that answers the questions
С кем
or
с чем.
with what.
This case indicates the tool or means by which an action is performed, or with whom or what assistance the action is completed. Let's explore how this preposition is used in context.
С
With,
со мной,
with me,
с тобой,
with you,
с ним,
with him,
с ней.
with her.
Now, let's expand our practice by creating more imperative sentences using the preposition
С to mean with.
Specifically, we'll focus on forming sentences that include the phrase with me
Со мной.
in Russian.
By incorporating "с" into our imperative sentences,
We'll not only reinforce our understanding of how to use this preposition, but also practice giving commands or making requests in a more interactive way.
let's dive into constructing these sentences and see how "с"
Fits naturally into variative forms. Будь счастлив со мной,
Be happy with me,
делай это со мной,
do it with me,
ешь со мной,
eat with me,
пей кофе со мной,
drink coffee with me,
спи
рано,
sleep early,
иди с ним,
go with him,
пойдем со мной,
come with me, говори со мной по-английски, speak English with me,
учи английский со мной,
learn English with me,
оставайся здесь со мной,
stay here with me,
играй со мной в футбол,
play football with me,
работай здесь со мной.
work here with me, живи здесь со мной.
Live here with me.
The second case we are going to learn is Винительный падеж, which we will refer to as the accusative case in English.
In Russian, the accusative case answers the questions кого
Whom,
and что,
what,
as well as куда.
to where.
This case is used to indicate the direct object of a verb, showing who or what is directly affected by the action.
Additionally, it can describe special directions and times.
Here are the Russian direct object pronouns which we use.
In the accusative case, меня, me, тебя, you, его, him.
Ее, her. Now,
Let's create imperative sentences using verbs that take the accusative case, known in Russian as Винительный падеж.
this practice will help us understand how to use verbs with direct objects effectively.
Пойми меня,
Understand me,
услышь меня,
hear me,
послушай меня,
listen to me.
посмотри на меня. Look at me.
It's time for the verb смотреть.
Смотреть can refer to looking or watching, depending on the context. It is frequently used without a preposition when referring to watching something for an extended period of time, such as a movie, television show, or live performance. For example,
Посмотри этот фильм.
watch this film. Using the preposition на with the verb смотреть translates to look at.
It refers to directing
One's eyes upon something or someone. The preposition на signifies the focus of the gaze. For example,
посмотри на меня.
look at me.
Now, we're going to briefly learn the dative case called Дательный падеж.
Which we use a lot in Russian.
Дательный падеж
Indicates the indirect object of an action.
answers the questions
Кому
to whom,
and чему.
to what,
Дательный падеж.
is used with verbs that imply
Giving, showing, telling, sending, etc. It also often accompanies certain prepositions.
Here are the Russian dative indirect object pronouns and their usage.
Мне,
To me,
тебе,
to you,
ему,
to him,
ей, to her.
Let's look at these examples. Позвони мне,
Call me,
купи мне,
машину,
buy me a car,
дай мне,
give me,
скажи мне,
tell me,
ответь мне,
answer me,
помоги мне.
help me.
The preposition для means for and is used in the Russian родительный падеж.
Let's have a quick look at our preposition.
Я for you.
So,
How can we construct a negative imperative statement in Russian?
to negate verbs, we employ the negation word «не».
Let's look at our examples.
Не стесняйся.
Don't be shy.
Не делай этого со мной.
Don't do it with me.
Не ешь со мной.
Don't eat with me.
Не пей со мной кофе.
Don't drink coffee with me.
Не спи рано.
Don't sleep early.
Не ходи туда.
Don't go there.
Не приходи со мной.
Don't come with me.
Не говори со мной по-английски.
Don't speak English with me.
Не учи со мной английский.
Don't learn English with me.
Не оставайся здесь со мной.
Don't stay here with me.
Не играй со мной в футбол.
Don't play football with me.
Не работай здесь со мной.
Don't work here with me.
Не живи здесь со мной.
Don't live here with me.
Now let's make a negative imperative sentence with our verbs in the Винительный падеж. Не понимай меня неправильно.
Don't get me wrong.
Не слушай меня.
Don't listen to me.
Не смотри на меня.
Don't look at me.
Now, let's make a negative imperative sentence with our verbs in the Дательный падеж.
Не звони мне снова.
Don't call me again.
Не покупай мне машину.
Don't buy me a car.
Не давай это мне.
Don't give it to me.
Не говори мне.
Don't tell me.
Не отвечай мне.
Don't answer me.
Не помогай мне.
Don't help me. See how simple that was?
Now, let's delve into the preposition bez, which means without. In Russian, bez is used with the genitive case.
This preposition is essential for indicating the absence of something or someone.
When you use bez in a sentence, it changes the form of the noun that follows it to the genitive case.
This might seem challenging at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. For example, без сахара,
Means without sugar, where сахар
sugar,
changes to сахара.
in the genitive case. Understanding how to use
Bez
will enhance your ability to form complex
and meaningful sentences.
in Russian.
Let's take a closer look at how this preposition is used in various contexts and practiced, forming sentences with it.
Без,
Without,
без меня,
without me,
без тебя,
without you,
без него,
without him,
без нее.
without her.
Now, let's create some example imperative sentences.
Не делай этого без меня.
Don't do it without me.
Не ешь без меня.
Don't eat without me.
Не пей кофе без меня.
Don't drink coffee without me.
Не спи без меня.
Don't sleep without me.
Не ходи туда без меня.
Don't go there without me.
Не приходи сюда без него.
Don't come here without him.
Не говори по-английски без меня.
Don't speak English without me.
Не учи английский без меня.
Don't learn English without me.
Не покупай машину без меня.
Don't buy a car with me.
Оставайся там без меня.
Don't stay there without me.
Не играй в футбол без меня.
Don't play football without me.
Не работай без меня.
Don't work without me.
Не живи без меня.
Don't live without me. Learn languages fast with Ferhat Yıldız's proven method.
As an experienced linguist, I have crafted the fastest and most effective way for you to learn the world's languages. You've already seen how quickly and easily you can master a foreign language in just 2 lessons. Imagine how much more you can achieve with our detailed, comprehensive courses.
We've reached the end of this lesson, where you've begun your rapid language learning journey.
To continue your progress and unlock the secrets of fast language learning,
Visit my website.
all my lessons are available there. All my lessons are available there.
All my lessons are available there.